Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts from your existing videos on YouTube. Let's start by opening the YouTube application on a mobile. This cannot be done on the desktop version, so make sure you are using the mobile app. Once you have the app open, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. From there, select your channel. Next, find the video that you want to turn into a short. Tap on the Videos tab and then go to Popular to find one of your more popular videos. I am going to select this video as an example. After selecting the video, scroll down to the Remix option. In the past, this button used to say Create. Tap on Remix, then select Edit into a short. Keep in mind that this option is only available to you, and other people cannot do this with your videos. Once you are in the editing mode, you will see that the default length for the short is set to 15 seconds. If you want to make it longer, go to the top right and tap on the 15 button. This will change the timer from 15 seconds to 60 seconds. Now, you can drag through the timeline to find the starting point of your short. I am going to start at 47 seconds in this example. Then, lengthen the clip by dragging the slider all the way to the right. You will see the timer at the bottom left corner, which shows the duration of the clip. I will stop at 60 seconds. You also have the ability to adjust the position of the video clip. If it is not centered exactly the way you want, you can move it left or right until it looks good. Once you are happy with the clip, tap on Next. On this screen, you have options to add text, a timeline, and filters. I am going to skip those for now and tap on Next again. Now you can add details to the short. Start by adding a caption. Then check the visibility settings. Instead of making the short public right away, I suggest setting it to unlisted first. This allows you to finish processing and enable monetization before making it public. After setting the visibility, tap on Upload Short. The video will start processing. Once it is uploaded, you can go to See Video to check its status. It only took about 10 seconds for my video to process, and I was able to watch it right away. You can also create a YouTube short with an existing video on your mobile. To make a YouTube short from an existing video on your mobile, you have to open the YouTube app and then touch on the plus icon in middle of the screen next to the Shorts icon. From there, you have to touch on the Add option shown in the bottom left and select any video you want to upload. That is how you can quickly and easily create YouTube Shorts from your existing videos in the mobile app. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.